Tourism in Malaysia, Mr. Thailand Kennedy, Director of Asia Events Exik Sendirian Berhad, dignitaries of the industry, including Tuan Haji Azizan, the Terengganu Tourism, State Tourism, Culture, Arts and Heritage, Dato' Haji Zaba bin Dato' Haji Muhammad Adib, Dato' Dr. Ong Hong Ping, Secretary General of Tourism, and scuba stakeholders, and not forgetting the diving community of Malaysia. I would first like to convey apologies on behalf of Datuk Mukhris bin Tun Dr. Mahathir that he is not able to be here today because of his official posting. And I'm sure he would like to be here because he has never missed any MIDE events in all the events that has ever been launched. There are things with, yes. Now being here, I have to forego my chance of seeing a whale shark in Tengol that has just arrived a few days, a mother and a baby that's been circling around. So I've been told by the operator to come over to Tengol immediately, but I said I have to be here for the event. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you from the various countries, realizing that you are fully dedicated to the sport of diving to be congregating with fellow divers for the next few days. Given that most of you have made the sport into a business, turning what you love into a viable venture, making many friends along the way, and forging ties that run into decades, coming together annually to re-establish them. Nothing beats seeing a familiar face, especially when they thrive in their field. As a trade association, MSDA has often focused on the promotion of the dive industry in and around the region, in addition to promoting Malaysia as a premier dive destination, alongside with Tourism Malaysia in all their international dive expos. We have supported and will continue to support initiatives from dive professionals in their respective dive agencies, dive expos, dive operations, and resorts to make Malaysia into a dive-centric destination from equipment acquisition to underwater documentary productions. Apart from that, we have achieved many milestones when a world's pioneering dive agency, NAUI, National Association of Underwater Instructors, established their Pacific Rim's headquarters here in Kuala Lumpur since the year 2000, simplifying the certification process and material acquisition just so easily. Mr. Michael Tong, the Regional Director of NAUI Pacific Rim, has gone all over Asia Pacific to train and qualify hundreds of instructors, making him the most sought-after NAUI course director in the region. Diving theory is finally accessible to more than 64% of the population, as NAUI Pacific Rim has produced the Malay syllabus for the dive courses, addressing the concerns of language barrier to learning. The dive trade has not only seen a rise in effort, but also in outstanding achievement by way of recognizing Borneo Divers Managing Director and also our former Vice President, Mr. Clement Lee, for his outstanding efforts and contribution to the sport all the way to DEMA Hall of Fame. Awarded the highest honor, the Reaching Out Award recognizes individuals who have made significant contribution to the sport of diving by reaching out in some special way to improve the sport for everyone. He has received a string of awards from 1994, a list too long to mention, but what an amazing feat. Well done, Clement. Equally outstanding contribution to Kids Scuba training, Kids Scuba's founder Encik Syed Abdul Rahman has also received numerous global awards in recognition for his outfit in training tiny tots and teeny bubble boppers in Malaysia. MSDA would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the three of our members, Michael, Clement, and Syed, for your remarkable work in making us Malaysians so proud of you. Keep up the great work. In keeping with the high standards of training, Malaysia sent yours truly as the first delegate to be amongst the dive industry's giants in the ISO Working Group on Diving Standards in the headquarters in Vienna, Austria last December. It was a humbling experience to be sitting with the movers and shakers of the industry, comprising of the founders of dive agencies from BSAC, PADI, SSI, authors of comprehensive dive training manuals, and their respective countries' dive trade associations representatives, marked Malaysia's presence to be of a huge significance by being the only Asian country present in the congregation. It was there that Malaysia began contributing to the formation of standards and safe practices that reverberate throughout the world's diving industry. It is of paramount importance that if you wish to further your dive education, be aware of the many dive agencies that have sprouted in the region offering cheap dive courses, free crossovers, and quick progression to instructorship, whilst promising support by issuing certification cards produced over the kitchen counters. It should raise your alarm if the dive training agency you intend to pursue your career with is not ISO certified. Equally notable is the equipment wholesalers in Malaysia, forming the backbone of the trade, with CE certified brands such as CX Sub, Apollo, Aqualung, Mares, Sherwood Scuba, Tusa, Cressy Sub, and now Busha, distributed by Scuba Symphony. These dive equipment manufacturers have made Malaysia into a wholesale distribution hub for the region. We hope the trend would continue to be set by Malaysians, attracting foreign markets into making Malaysia as a retail center for scuba, encouraging diving as a lifestyle. I received a surprise mail in the form of a snail mail by Jack Levanchi from PADI Europe. He is the founder and president, and he sent me a personally autographed picture of Hans and Lot Haas, the founding member of scuba diving in the world. He, together with the late Jack Cousteau, has been instrumental in developing scuba into what it is today. Malaysia also has our own finding pioneers of the industry in the form of Captain Sim, Michael Tong, and Clement Lee. They have all set the standards for us to take diving to you and bring the world diving here. Coincidentally, all the three of Malaysia's own founding pioneers of the industry, known as the gentle giants but not the whale sharks, are here today, so it would be a no-brainer to get their autograph too if you can catch them for a cup of teh tarik afterwards. Henceforth, before I end, I would like to thank the Malaysian Tourism Promotion Board, the Tourism Ministry for promoting the sport, and MIDE for giving us a platform to reach out. Without forgetting the dive publications and everyone who has made diving so interesting and setting an example for all of us to follow, I want to say a big thank you. I wish all the exhibitors a great time, though the next couple of days would be a hectic one. But just remember why we got into diving in the first place and what we will continue to get out of it if we put our heart, mind, and souls into giving those who have not yet had the chance of experiencing what it is like being underwater. So let's thrill them, teach them, dunk them, and make divers out of them as soon as you can.